Forget student debt. What if you could study in Australia, live in Brisbane or the Gold Coast, and have the government pay for everything? This isn't a dream, it's the Australia Award Scholarships, and most people don't even know it exists. Australia, home to iconic beaches, Married at First Sight Australia drama, Wild Survivor Australia challenges, and now your future education destination. But here's the kicker. While many are busy binge-watching MAFS Australia, smart students from around the world are using Australia Award Scholarships to get fully funded degrees in top universities across Australia. Today, you're going to find out how you can do the same. Why study in Australia? Why is Australia one of the most popular study destinations in the world? Globally ranked universities, multicultural campuses, safe, innovative cities, work opportunities while studying from Adelaide, Australia's artsy vibes to Brisbane, Australia's booming tech scene, and Gold Coast, Australia's coastal beauty. There's a perfect fit for everyone. And thanks to low Australia tariffs on education exchange, international students are more welcome than ever. What are Australia Award Scholarships? Now here's where it gets exciting. The Australia Award Scholarships are fully funded by the Australian government, designed to support students from developing countries. These awards cover full tuition fees, return airfare, living allowance, health insurance, academic support. It's not just a scholarship, it's a launch pad to a global career. Who can apply? These scholarships aren't for just anyone. They're for passionate, driven individuals who want to make a difference back home. Each country has its own eligibility rules, but in general, you'll need a strong academic background, a clear development goal, community impact potential, leadership skills. Oh, and if you're still watching Survivor Australia and waiting for a sign, this is it. Where can you study? Picture this. Studying marine science on the Gold Coast, exploring urban planning in Brisbane learning, sustainable development in Adelaide. These aren't fantasy locations. These are real choices for Australia Awards recipients. And with Australia's modern cities offering world-class public transport, diverse communities, and relaxed lifestyles, your study years will be unforgettable. How to apply? Here's the step-by-step breakdown. 1. Check eligibility based on your country. 2. Research programs and universities. 3. Prepare documents, transcripts, CV, reference letters, development impact statement. 4. Apply online via Oasis portal. 5. Attend interviews if shortlisted. Application deadlines vary, but most open in February-May each year. So, get started early. Bonus tip, tailor your application to show how your education will solve real problems in your home country. FAQs plus fun facts. Do I need IELTS? Yes, language proficiency is usually required. Can I bring family? Yes, but their expenses aren't covered. What if I want to stay after graduation? Many students stay through post-study work visas or residency options. Now, for a quick fun fact, Australia has more kangaroos than people, and over 1,100 educational institutions. There's literally room for everyone. So while others scroll through MAFS Australia gossip or plan the next episode of Survivor Australia, you could be planning your degree, adventure, and future in Australia for free. No tuition fees, no student debt. A future full of possibilities. Don't miss your chance. Like this video if you're serious about studying abroad. Subscribe now for more life-changing scholarship content. Drop a comment if you have questions. We respond to everyone. This isn't just education, it's transformation. And your journey starts today. Study abroad. Shield, free scholarships, big dreams. Watch next. Subscribe now. Videos that empower your future.